Alex Car Doctor. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today, unfortunately, is not going to be a tutorial. I have so much going on in my shop, and I really need to roll.
Look at all this work.
I'm busting out the seams, and you don't even want to see outside. It's just that bad. But I did want to discuss on the topic of lifters. Today's patient is a 2014 Dodge Charger. I'm gonna crank it up in a little bit. But before I do, it has the famous 3.6 Pentastar. Now, this engine is in a wide variety of cars, down to their Ram ProMasters, which some people like to call Sprinter vans for some odd reasons. Not a Sprinter van, it's a Ram Pro. What? Ram
It's a ProMaster. The Sprinter van is Mercedes.
Yes,
right?
Sprinter van is Mercedes and I think International or something. Anywho, we digressed a little bit.
Somebody been jacking you up by the collar there?
No, it's just so hot. This engine is in the Jeep Wranglers, Grand Cherokees, Chrysler 200s, 300, Chrysler 300s, Dodge Chargers, Challengers. List goes on and on. But let me go ahead and give this a start so you guys can listen. Alright, so this one is not that loud, but it is very noticeable. It's making a tapping sound. You can clearly hear that. I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to show you the lifters.
Before you show us the lifters, let's hear it in the, we got a Challenger.
Yeah,
right
we
now.
have a Challenger. I'm going to show you the Challenger.
Same issue. Same
This
engine.
one's louder.
Ah, yeah.
Now, this year Challenger is that's a dealer friend of mine. So.
I can't remember off the top. Maybe a 2013?
Yep, 13.
Yeah. Pop the
Not
hood.
the same. Look at that. 3.6 Pentastar. Same engine. So it's about the same. What you guys think? Write down in the comments which one is worse, the Charger or the
Challenger.
Challenger.
I think the Challenger is worse.
Yeah, I think so too. Back at the Charger, chilling with my. Oh yeah, I forgot they stopped putting Dodge symbols on stuff. But anywho, this is the culprit. This little small thing here. So what goes on? These lifters, they will collapse. They supposed to be oil. Takes oil pressure to pump them up, but they still supposed to have a little resistance on them. See, that one's not moving. I guarantee you, once I get some of the bad ones out, I'm gonna show you after end video. Well, after I put everything together, I think I said that right. I'm gonna show you what the bad ones look like, but I cannot compress this by my hand. So, and these are all upgraded lifters. I use Milling a lot. I trust this name brand, and I don't go in and replace just the bad lifter. I go in and replace 24 of them. When I go in, I do the job right, because if you just go in and replace the one bad one, I tell people like this: they was born the same, they most likely gonna die the same.
At the same time.
At the same time. So you place one, a couple of weeks down the road, it's gonna happen again. So that's why I do that. All right, I'm gonna set up for my job. Like I mentioned before, this is not a tutorial. I need to really get this out the shop. Now, if you wanna see a tutorial, write down in the comments, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get another opportunity. I see these engines fail like that all the time. So, you know, once everything slow down for me, because right now everything is all over the place. I would make sure I do that if you want to see it. Now, if you don't write down nothing, I'm probably not gonna do it. Also, I've been getting a lot of good comments with my Wrangler video. These engines also have head failures on some of the make and models. I'm not really sure which ones are more prone to head failure. My Chrysler guys out there, please write down in the comments and, you know, inform everybody which years are more problematic than others. Speaking of problematic, Can this problem be prevented? It's really hard to say, but I think it can by using very good high quality oil. Yes, maybe it can be prevented. Again, guys, for my Chrysler people that work at the dealership, drop a comment. What do you think? Can it be prevented by using high quality oil? Other than that, I'm gonna get to this and get this so I can get this customer back their vehicle, and I will give you another shot of the vehicle running, so kind of remember how it was running, you know, before. Well, now.
Oh, they can just rewind it.
Oh yeah, you can just rewind.
Oh, how much? Well, we'll tell them how much. Go ahead and start. I know you gotta get rolling.
Yeah, well, I quickly tell you, a job like this with parts and labor will cost this customer around $1,200.
Given whatever state you live in, I know
Yes.
California may be higher, guys, and different states, Florida. You know, we're in Georgia, so
Or if you stay in a rural area, it's probably super cheap.
could be. So
Could be,
up
yeah.
to $1,200, could be more depending on where you live.
If there's no damage. So once I get in there, I will inspect everything, and the hood is coming up. Where's my stick? All right. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out. The job takes about 6 hours for both sides, if I can recall correctly.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, all right, good people. I will see you guys in a little bit. All right, good people, this is the finished work. I almost forgot to give a start up on it after I finished. I kind of got busy and time slipped away from me. What reminded me to finish this video is actually the customer is right now here to get it. But this is how the Pentastar is supposed to sound, just like this. You remember how it sounded before. I'm gonna take you back in the shop now and show you the problem. I was kind of wrong and right at the same time with this one, and I'm gonna show you why. So this is my little 3.6 that I haven't took off the engine stand yet, sort of for demonstration purposes. That's what it's gonna be for today. What I was mentioning earlier, that I was kind of wrong and right at the same time, this was the failure point. The roller
Rocker.
roller rocker, yeah.
I only know that because you mentioned it earlier. So
Okay. So this roller supposed to rotate all the way around, but as you can see, it's really badly messed up.
It's not rotating.
No, it's not rolling at all. It's been pushed down, and when that happened, it put a lot of pressure on the lifter and messed it up as well. It has some give in it.
And it's not supposed to do that.
No, even my new ones was,
Firm.
Yeah, firm. So this is pretty much the process of doing the lifters. This engine is garbage, so I don't care if nothing falls in the intake. You pretty much take off the cam and make a mess. Take it up, all your rollers, and this is how the roller's supposed to look. It's supposed to roll nice and easy. So during the process of tearing that one down, I always inspect all the rollers. And you pull all of the roller rockers up, and you plop out the lifters like so. Put the new ones in, put everything back together, put the front cover back on, and all that good stuff. Now I'm all oily. For you guys though, I don't care about getting oily. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that. What would you say this video?
Informative video.
Yes.
If you got a ticking or tapping Charger or Challenger or any Dodge product with the 3.6,
what my wife said.
this because he's tired, y'all.
Yeah.
So if you got any of those issues, this could possibly be the cause. Of course, get you a professional to really diagnose it. If you're in Atlanta, look us up.
Yes, please do. And if you're wondering, you can always Google Alex the Car Doctor. All my information will pop up. Guys, I always love hearing from you. If you have any questions, concerns pertaining to this video, please hit me up. Like always, love you guys. Thanks for my many subscribers I already have. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys for supporting me. Alex the Car Doctor out.